Welcome to your 10-minute self-nurture yoga practice. For our practice today, all you need is a stable, firm chair where you can sit comfortably on. If you like some extra support for your back, you can also grab a cushion or a rolled blanket to support your back. Go ahead and take a seat. Make sure that your feet can rest on the floor and rest your hands, palms facing down on your thighs. If you like, you can close your eyes or have your eyes partially closed. Tune in to the sensations of your body against the earth. You can even press your feet into the earth to feel the contact of the earth underneath you. Feel your thighs by gently squeezing your legs with your hands, saying hello to yourself, saying hello to your body. You can even feel the sensation of your sits bones and your hips leaning into the chair. So you're orienting yourself in this space and recognizing the support that you have underneath you that is holding you, and allow yourself to be held. As your body settles, allow yourself to now tune in to your breathing. And imagine that your breath flows as if like a steady stream that is unrushed, without any urgency, so that with each in-breath, there's this soft, smooth stream of breath coming in, weaving down into your lower abdomen, and as you exhale, a soft stream out, facilitating further areas of settling and release of tension. And now to begin our movement, go ahead and sit a little bit ahead in the center of your chair and rest your hands on your thighs. Make sure your feet are still on the floor. And as you inhale, gently arch your back, draw your hands to your hips and gaze upwards. Exhale, curve inwards, tucking your chin towards your chest and have your back rounded. Inhale, arching, pulling your hands back, shoulders back. Exhale, place your hands towards your knees as you round through your back. Inhale, sliding your hands back, elbows drawing back, opening through your belly and chest. And as you exhale, you're stretching across the entire back side of your body. Continue a few more with this full spinal movement, creating fluidity and mobility. Articulate through the individual vertebrae as much as you can. And if there are any tight spots, just notice where they are. And try to slow down into those tight spots. Last one here. And then finish seated upright. Pause here for a moment and allow the effects to settle. Next, bring your arms out by your side as if you're guarding a goalpost. And then close your palms and elbows in. If they are able, touch them together. Keep your lower body relaxed. On your inhale, open your arms out wide, gently drawing your arms back, opening your chest upwards again. Exhale, close your palms and elbows in towards each other and round your back. Inhale, open your elbows wide, palms still facing forward. Exhale, close your arms and elbows in towards each other. Tuck your chin down. Continue. Inhale, opening wide, and exhale, closing in. So we are still creating more movement and fluidity in the spine, but now a little bit more targeted in our upper spine. Take a couple more. Finish with an inhale, opening out wide, palms facing forward. You can gaze slightly up. Exhale, return to center and rest your hands down on your thighs. Soften your shoulders here. Then bring your arms forward, palms touching in front of you. As you inhale, swim your right arm up toward the ceiling and then all the way back as if you're doing a backstroke. Exhale, bring your arm forward again. Then left arm goes up as you inhale, swimming like a backstroke. And then exhale, coming all the way towards the front. Continue alternating your arms, and you're just letting your arms guide the backstroke to a point that's comfortable for you. You don't need to reach really far or reach really wide, just to a point that feels comfortable and makes sense for you. Coordinate with your breath. So every inhale, you're backstroking, and every exhale, you're bringing your arm forward, back to your starting point. Go ahead and do one more time each side. Keeping your lower body relaxed, face relaxed, turning through your ribcage and belly. Finish here and rest your hands down onto your thighs. Go ahead and allow that effect to settle into your body. Notice perhaps the circulation or the spiraling effect of all the movements we've done so far. Next, gently tilt your chin down towards your throat or towards your chest. Then make sure you keep your spine upright, aligned, and your shoulders broad. Allow your head to be heavy, to lengthen the back of your neck. And then to come up, you're going to stack your neck one vertebra at a time, slowly rolling up. Going back, imagine you're rolling the back of your neck over an imaginary towel roll. So you're actually elongating your neck as you lean back. And the same thing as you bring your neck and head back up, stack from the base of your neck. And bring one vertebra at a time back up with your chin moving last. Go ahead and move over to your right side as if you're pouring water out of your right ear. Let the weight of your head help stretch the side of your neck and shoulder. Try to keep your shoulders aligned and not tilted. Slowly coming back up to center and then leaning your head over the other way as if pouring water out of your ear. Easy breaths, and then slowly come back up to center. Pause with the breath. And then go ahead and slide all the way to the back of your chair once again so that your back is entirely supported. Place one hand on your chest and one hand on your lower belly. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Tune in once again to your body, the way it is seated, the way the floor and the chair is supporting you. Allow yourself to be held right here. Feel the sensations of your hands on your heart and on your belly. See if you notice subtle movements between your hands and belly as you breathe in and out. Almost like this undulation of a wave that passes between your heart and your belly. Here in this moment, you don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to be anything. You don't have to answer to anybody. You are here with yourself, for yourself. Allow the tactile sensations of your hands on your own body be that soothing, nurturing touch that you crave, that you need, that you desire. That soothing, nurturing touch to help you feel safe once again in your body and in your own self. And when you inhale, repeat these words in your mind, just this. When you exhale, repeat the words in your mind, is enough. Inhale, just this. Exhale, is enough. Just this is enough. Allow these words to sink in. Inhale, just this. Exhale, is enough. And it is in these sacred pauses that you come home, back into yourself. And when you're ready, allow your eyes to slowly open, returning into this world, taking another easy breath and out. And thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you next time.